It's Caillou and Autumn.
Okay. Now, if you slide down that rock, face the rock,
Come up.
and to your left and down, there's a hole.
Grab on the rock that you just grabbed on.
Going back that way,
The one in front of
there's
you.
a hole.
Right here?
Are you going to come up this way?
Yep, this is.
Is this whole stable?
Is that?
Is this whole stable?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this is like.
Yeah, let's not
Oh
try
my
to.
god, that was like the
let's
craziest
not climb up
parkour.
high.
I know, I'm just trying to get a
We're gonna
good
come down
seat.
low.
Okay, now you guys take a big step here and grab one right there. Hold on, let me get out
You
first.
can't do it. Try the other way.
Take a big step here.
Briella,
Step
Briella,
right
if
here.
I can do it, you can do it.
She doesn't have that much upper
Guys, we're not going to climb up there, okay? Come on
Okay, come
down.
down here.
Come on down.
Oh, shit. That was so scary.
Hold on, should we let her come up first?
Come on down. Not up. We're going to come down.
Okay.
Down.
So go down that way. I don't know where my buddy went. So Tori, you're my new buddy.
This is crazy.
Oh my, that was actually the hardest
And then
part.
you go through
That was
me.
fun. That was like
Okay.
thrilling.
Mine was really fun.
Ooh, there's a...
I just went.
Careful, y'all. Just be really
It
careful.
felt like these completely came off.
No, I probably thought I was like, can't. Oh my god. I'm ready to make
It
it.
felt so weird. Who is that? Is that Nazir?
Okay, where's your buddy?
Right here. I'm her new buddy.
We're going to go through this hole.
I did not see that.
Go through the arch.
We need like.
Okay. We were looking stuck in there for like 20
Bro, that
minutes.
was actually kind of crazy. That was like.
That's good though.
I think so.
It was hard.
Yeah, it's hard.
My pants were like, oh. That okay? That's another.
Don't play with me.
You can go first. No matter what. Go for it.
I can't see. My helmet keeps falling over my face.
Oh, this is actually. I'll recall.
Somebody left it. If you come over here, something might off.
Is that Alsacia?
Yeah.
Hi.
Older like you had me scared. I thought nobody was over here.
Bro, that was crazy.
You guys are crazy.
Why?
Turn off, turn off.
You guys turn the lights on.
Why?
Yeah, turn off.
Why?
Why?
But she told you to.
Oh.
No, I'm good.
So,
Turn your light on.
Turn your light
is
off.
anybody else coming?
Briella.
So,
I can't see. Exactly.
one second. So, Karen gave me these.
Oh, lifesavers.
The lifesavers. But she said if everybody turns their light off, and since they're wintergreen, they'll sparkle if we make it totally black in here. So take a lifesaver. And
Don't touch the cave, guys.
and
Thank you. Don't eat it yet. I get one.
yeah,
Bruh.
and then
I've already put it in his
we'll
mouth.
turn our lights off. And,
Do not touch the
see
kid
if we-
with your.
Sure.
Oh, good, guys. I'm recording this.
What do I do with it? Just eat it?
No.
Not yet. Oh.
Wait,
You said chew it.
Not yet.
Not
Turn the
yet.
lights off.
Not yet. Maybe. There's another little tiny piece. I stole my whole lifesaver.
Everybody got one?
No. Not yet.
I have another piece. You give me two.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Mine's getting a little.
Mine's broken. No.
Everyone behind me got already.
Here we go.
What do we do?
Yeah, wait a second.
I was gonna ask for a piece of tiny piece.
Okay.
Everybody have one?
Yes.
Yeah, now everyone has.
Okay, so yeah, we'll have to turn your headlamps off.
Yo,
You're the only one with your headlamp on.
No, hers is on.
Here, turn off your headlamp.
I'll follow headlights.
Okay. No, close one. Wait. Hold on, you want me to do it?
Fighting it.
Okay.
Okay.
Ooh, dark.
Show
You're fat. You're so fat.
them. There's a little spark over there to my
Right
right.
after your spark.
There we go.
I'm doing it here.
Wow, I can see sparks. Look over there. Look to the left. Look everywhere. Look straight.
From where?
Yo, there's sparkles.
I feel like I'm in the womb. I feel like I'm in the womb. Oh my god.
That's exactly what I said.
Yes, Tyron.
It's so dark in here. Who hit me?
Alright, guys. I choose mine.
Who keeps touching me?
What was supposed to happen?
We're supposed to use
Actually, I saw a spark.
Hit it. Do what? Yo.
I saw a spark, so like.
I saw one or
Right
two.
there. It was like green
One.
stuff.
I got a feeling these are
Duds. Oh,
they're
sorry.
old.
Well, I don't like these things. I keep getting my helmet.
Karen probably gave us
This
old
one.
lifesavers.
Wait, what do you do? You're
I
supposed
saw one spark
Right, you're
from
supposed to
over
spit them
here.
out.
I might have been.
I saw some sparkle over here too.
Yeah,
That's all
I,
they made.
I saw this green stuff over there.
Yeah.
Yours sparkled.
I was
Wow.
over there.
Oh, there was.
Didn't work. Didn't
Yeah, were y'all like fighting?
You should keep the lights off.
Turn the lights off.
Well, Sophie's alive.
Briella.
I did it.
Turn the lights off. I'll turn the lights
Turn off the
off.
light.
Oh,
Wait, give me a second. I put my glove on.
I have another lifesaver. That was low-key fire.
Yeah, I'm kind of
I'll
fire.
do that again.
You want me to help?
Oh yeah.
I don't want to do it again. I just want to eat it.
Need me to help?
Can I get two?
Yo, Kyle, you slide.
Okay,
Which
we
one?
I got you guys.
Wait, guys. Can I get two?
Can I get the first
No,
one?
you can't.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Shush.
Can I get two?
Hi.
I'm gonna go to everybody else.
The cameraman gets extra because I have to carry more stuff.
You literally.
Thank
It's like a 5
Can I
grand.
get one? Everyone turn your light off.
Everybody turn your light
How
off.
you?
I'm gonna
So
get
turn your
one.
light off. Wait, don't turn your lights
I
off.
know.
One.
Can you pass me one?
Can you pass me
Oh,
one?
Don't pass out.
I'm not.
Exactly.
No, here.
Why they're fire?
Can you hit that to Jace?
Jace.
Look,
Oh,
mate, someone.
Briella.
So, you know,
Don't eat
Put it
your
in your
glove.
glory.
That's
Oh,
disgusting.
no,
oh, she has one.
You wanna hit it?
I don't have a.
Oh, there's counting to your stuff, guys.
Cyrus.
I turned it either way. It was really
Okay,
easy.
so if you all turn your lights
climb
off
up
and
the
you
thing or
chew
no?
on them with
Okay.
your mouth
Turn your lights
open.
off.
Turn off your
Light
lights.
off.
Turn off.
Chew it.
Turn off the light.
Wait,
Chew
one
it.
more. Chew it.
Turn off your light.
Turn your lights.
Turn off the
Yo.
light.
Turn
Now,
Go.
now,
Just
now,
help him. Help
Turn
turn
the
the
lights
light.
Okay, ready? Go.
You're
Oh,
Wait,
wait, no,
right
wait,
there.
not here. Turn your light
Wait,
off.
what's his?
Alan.
Alan, turn your light
I
off.
saw a spark
okay, hold on.
behind. I saw a spark by Galen.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, someone in his mouth. No, it's her.
Oh, I saw it.
In my mouth?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yours. That's where I saw
You have
it.
to chew with your mouth open.
Yeah, you have to chew with your mouth open, otherwise you're not going to see it sparkle.
I don't think I got one.
You're in the cave chewing on lightsabers.
Where are we
Turn
going?
the light
Wait,
off.
turn it off.
Turn it off.
We're already done. We're already done, guys.
We're like sitting.
No, I have another one. I have another one.
Oh, do it.
Oh, y'all gotta stop.
Wait, turn the light up. Turn the light.
I saw. Oh, I saw
I
one.
saw it. Yay!
Yeah, I did that.
Oh, I
On the
saw
go.
it.
I just hit
I
his
saw it
leg.
again. Awesome.
Wait, that's
Yours
crazy.
is like really good. I can't get any armor.
Okay, turn them off. Turn them on.
Okay, turn them on.
I like it in the dark.
I'm so cool.
We didn't do
Wait,
anything.
can I get one?
Yeah, do it
Wait, guys, ready? I'm doing it again.
I'm on another
Oh,
one.
yeah, again.
Turn off your lights. Turn off your lights.
I don't need a lightsaber though.
Again?
Everyone, turn off your lights.
Oh, y'all having fun with
Turn off
this.
your lights.
Oh, how do I do that?
I know
Ready?
y'all.
Right.
I know y'all.
Ready? I'm going.
You got chew with your mouth.
Oh my bad.
I
Oh, I
saw
saw one.
one.
I saw one.
For me?
No,
No,
it was
from
Zara.
Zara. Sorry.
I hate this
Oh,
one.
you're a three there.
Bro, I can't see anything.
I'll take the trash. What are you actually doing?
That was so cool.
I had like 4 lightsabers.
I hope it
I had
Like,
Bro, I think it's so nice.
You know why Karen really gave them to me?
Why?
Oh, why?
To make sure people's breasts don't stink.
Caillou.
Right.
Oh, she evil for that. There's no more.
There's no more.
Okay, here we go.
No, you like
I don't know. It's up to Alan.
Oh,
Alan, here we go.
Hold on.
Where we going next?
He's tired.
What is that? Yo, someone dropped a lightsaber.
Oh, here. Pick up.
Pick that up.
I couldn't like do anything.
Not mine. Well, wait, you have gloves on.
Just pick it up. Huh?
Okay, somebody I had pointed to said I want to change your light. Who was that?
No, me.
No me, sir.
Everyone turn on your light and see if it's dim.
Hold back. It was you.
Kai, your light isn't on.
Is mine on?
No, it's not.
Is mine
It's
on?
not. Oh, it's on.
I have the brightest light. Oh wait, mine turns red.
Yeah.
Nah, bro.
Yo, demon mode. You go with demon mode.
Violet.
Which one you
I'm
on?
on red. I like that.
Turn right now. It's right there.
Some
yes.
You're in the red
turn
light.
green though.
It's the GoPro.
Oh, my GoPro.
It's like a party.
I hope it doesn't have light vision mode.
Huh?
The
Okay,
GoPro probably still looks
Yeah.
good too.
Yeah.
hold on.
We should put that in the video, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
The only ever came out.
Y'all can just call it.
Video, literally,
Yeah, this is a
just
little bit
swinging.
It's a lot different.
Okay, guys, welcome back to my YouTube
What do you
channel.
mean? That never
Today we're going caving.
It's like everything's glowing.
Why didn't you say that when we ended?
Get ready with me to go caving.
We're already in.
We're already in the cave.
No, we were born here. Yeah, we were. Yeah, we were. The caving is outside.
See, it was funny when Tori said it, but it was
Yeah,
not
we're
funny
cavemen.
when Gibby said it.
Yeah, it was funny when Gibby said it.
Like, it was funny when Tori said it, but then Gibby said it. and
I
it
know
was
I'm the
very funny.
funniest person.
You are. You're way
Wait,
funnier.
what? You lied to me.
Actually, not. Autumn's
What?
Thank you.
Oh,
No,
you're
it's
also
her
very funny.
laugh. It's her freaking
Oh, yeah. Her
laugh.
laugh is so funny.
Thank you guys.
Okay,
thank you.
I'm tired of sitting in one spot, guys.
Your friends aren't supposed to lie to you.
What, Alan?
I'm gonna get you, Gibby. Why would you say that?
I'm sorry.
Oh, Autumn when Gibby said that.
Alan's ready.
Hi, Ellen.
Hi.
Hello.
Welcome back to my YouTube. Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
You don't
You
have
don't
the
even have a
camera.
GoPro.
Like what?
I got a lot of followers.
Hey guys.
Please don't start.
Oh my GoPro. is not very funny.
Is that a GoPro or a go slow?
GoPro.
That's what we're doing here.
Okay, old man Mike. If my old man is in the name.
Oh my god, that
That Mike never ages though.
Oh my god, that was really good.
Forever.
That was like great.
He never ages.
Yeah, he's stuck at an age.
Right.
Are you a vampire?
A little bit, yeah.
What?
Okay, Mike.
Yo, we didn't wait, come in.
Wait, then you should be fire at this.
Wait, who watched Sinners?
Huh?
Yo, Sinners was so good. But we didn't say Meg could come in.
Thank you.
So how do you
Yo,
so
I
who invited him?
really hate the fact that she said y'all can come in.
I really hate the fact that we're just sitting here.
Hate the fact that 6'7"
Can I go now?
is
Like, right, can we go?
We're gonna go that way, up,
That way?
and then through the hall.
Yeah,
That way.
And
We're
into the
always
next
going through
hallway.
holes.
I know what he's talking
we gotta
about.
go.
We're just gonna meet up in the next
Wait, we gotta
hallway.
go second.
Anastasia, wait.
Step on my foot.
I cannot.
My bad, dog.
My knees hurt now.
Where are we going
Ooh, you right, you
My
right.
knees have been hurt.
Ow, my ankle. I need to do my stretching. I haven't done my stretching in weeks.
Zara, I miss you. I miss Zara, but Zara left me. Oh, I'm getting all of this. I'm getting all of this on camera.
Tori.
Can y'all like lock in?
It's God, you
I wanna act like I'm
on my leg. No, I like demon. I like demon. Okay.
I need that.
Are y'all standing up?
I'm sitting up probably. I'm sure I'm small enough. I think. How?
The counselors are standing up. I think we can all stand up. Excuse you.
We can stand up.
How she woke up, Maeve. Do
How
your
did
voice.
he wake up, mate?
Anastasia, do your voice.
Oh, wake the fuck up.
Oh! Hey,
Sorry. What are we doing?
Standing right here.
we're going head first.
Oh, at first?
Always go head first.
See that?
Yes, you did.
Say that. No, it was AI. I'm telling you, bro. Yo, the AI gets crazy nowadays. Okay, guys.
Babe, start head first and turn to the side.
Okay, guys, start head first and then you can turn around.
Start head first.
Left has a drop. Keep on forming. Turn the knife.
Okay, guys, don't go left. Left has a drop.
Left has a big drop.
Oh, shit. Go, guys, go right. Make sure you go right. Pass it on.
Make sure you go right, guys.
Y'all, come on.
Left has a big drop.
Y'all pass out that my trousers have a hole in them.
Shush, keep going.
Yo, left.
Your trousers are crazy. Hold on, Goo Goo Gaga Cron. How did they get over there?
You good?
I'm great.
Are y'all good?
I'm amazing.
I'm gonna wait for them.
Okay, I'm going.
There's a big drop, guys. Don't go left. Why can't you?
Caillou, we said don't go left,
I
bro.
told you that was a big
We have one rule.
It's not that big.
Is my GoPro okay?
Thing on?
Hi YouTube. Are y'all okay? Sorry guys, don't mind me. I'm talking to my YouTube channel.
Ooh, that's your YouTube channel, like see my butt?
Yeah.
Oh, what's this where you in? Last year? Oh yeah, we found a giant John right here. We made a bunch of shit and we threw it somewhere.
What?
It was a big, like, yeah, we made freaking
Okay, well,
Fat
a
vlog.
giant thing.
That love.
Yeah, I was 3 then.
Freedom.
Yeah, it had to be 3 because you didn't look for 30 seconds.
Did someone slip?
I kind of want some more lifesavers, guys.
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
Who?
Caillou slipped.
Oh, Caillou slipped.
Ow, that hurt. Caillou, bend down. Caillou, bend down. No,
Caillou, we told you.
I'm not that sure.
Okay, what?
I'm taller than you. How did you feel?
Because it's a skinny queen.
Oh, wait, because you're taller.
No, actually, that's not the reason.
I could be this short.
He's a skinny queen.
I don't. How did it fit through there?
I fit though. I'm running.
I'll say you again.
Excuse me, y'all.
Are we falling?
I lost my partner 20 minutes ago.
Yeah.
My partners keep leaving me.
My partner.
Hey, this is my partner at this point.
Listen.
Nazir.
Like, this is my partner.
Oh, he back there.
I have to switch partners.
I'm switching partners
My
too.
partner's Caillou.
No, Caillou got Nazir now.
No, Caillou's
These are my
partners.
Sorry.
It's a trio. It's a threesome.
Call for karaoke.
No, wait.
Wait, this is
cannot show this
4K?
video.
This is 4K?
I can't change whether or not it's like recording.
Come back.
Come back.
Why not? I did this last year.
Why? What? Wait, I remember
Up
this.
and under. Under and up. Same thing.
Why are we coming back? I'm looking.
Can someone help me up?
I
Yeah, hold
got
on.
Fall out the blue.
Okay.
you. John got my, I keep hitting my head.
My friend in Jamaica, he's like,
Dominican
he was-
Ball.
I'm making my way
He
out
was
of the
6
room.
foot. He kept smacking his head on this freaking thing.
Have you seen the Jamaican bobsledding movie? That movie's tough.
You mean Rasta? What's it called?
It's on Disney.
I just said you gotta be smart if you don't go.
Has anyone here seen Holes?
Yeah. Jamaican.
I love Holes.
I haven't seen the movie, but I read the book.
Oh, I've done both.
Bro, I love Rasta Mouse, but the reason
I read the book and then I watched the movie.
is because a lot of kids were having Jamaican accents. Like we're growing with Jamaican accents. No, don't ever do that again. That was bad.
Fuck you.
I'm Jamaican. What do you mean?
You are?
Yes.
Still fuck you.
Nobody go through that
Go
yet.
and suck your mother.
Alan, we're back.
Ow.
I hit my
Go
head.
and suck that ugly fuck up. Ooh. I forgot you were GoPro.
Alan.
I
Alopecia.
heard what I said last year, bro.
What'd you say last year?
That's a lot of stuff.
To the N-word?
You're a racist.
I never said that a day in my life, promise.
No, that's a lie. We all said it.
Don't ask me what I said.
Who's we all?
Ow. Those freaking voice chats.
Yo, Call of Duty voice chat's getting crazy, bro. So do my Snapchat calls, bro.
Oh my gosh, Siege?
Oh my, I love
Do
Siege.
you have
What rank
a
are you?
channel?
What's up? What's up?
I don't want to pay attention to that.
I like play casually. I play, but I don't sweat.
I haven't touched that game in
Hi.
Everybody?
Yeah,
This is everyone.
yeah. I was the first one to go.
Okay. Where's it? We got everybody?
We got everybody.
Yeah, everyone.
Not everybody?
It
Yeah, we
is.
have
There's
everybody.
Okay, great. This room here is pretty good. You can play around in this room. There's a lot of holes in the walls here. There's only one place that's really not too cool to go. If it's a pinch, and then it goes up.
Yeah,
And
no.
when you get to the top, it drops.
No.
Don't go there. All right? I don't
You hear
want to
that,
pick you
guys?
up off the floor on the bottom of that, okay? But there's holes in here that you can explore around
He
in.
loves exploring holes.
If you go down here, if you go down here to your left, there's a hole like this big around. You probably saw it. Okay, I call it a rabbit hole.
I deserve that one.
I get it!
All right, you can go through that to get to the next hallway. This hallway, you know, that room and this hallway, they're kind of connected.
So wait, is
together.
this like the middle of the cave?
Yeah.
Would you say chilling here?
But if you go further, and there's part of the path sort of drops down, dips down, you'll see on your left-hand side down lower, a hole that's shaped like an old-fashioned key, like round at the top and then straight at the bottom, and that's called the keyhole. Anyway, you can go through that and up. It's not that high up. It's like maybe a body length up, and then you can climb out, and then that's in the hallway, that next hallway. The next hallway is called Hanging Rock Hall.
Oh,
Okay.
doesn't sound good.
If you look up, you'll see a bunch of big rocks that are just kind of hanging up there.
I don't trust that.
Now, over there, if you go down further, there's a small incline that you can go up, and then it splits off into the left and right. Just go play in there, okay? That Hanging Rock Hall, there's a lot of holes in the wall, the other side there. Some of them go all up and inside of that wall. You can play around, and some of them loop around and come back out someplace else, okay? There's huge rocks over here. Just be careful, because they're like the size of cars, and to climb up them is hard, and I don't want you to fall off the other side of them, okay? So just take care of each other, okay? Stay with your buddy, stay with the team. If you see anything really cool, let us know.
How would
Okay.
we know if we
We should stay in like a group of
What's that?
four.
How would we know if the water over there?
Four.
I'm gonna go over here. Oh, yeah, that's the other thing. If you go through the rabbit hole, if you wanna go through the rabbit hole, it's a challenge. It's a challenge to do.
Yeah.
Let me know.
Please comment, like, and share. It helps others find this video.